Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Primetime English News with HEMABATI. First, the headlines. At least 27 MLAs of Manipur likely to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah to form new government. Ningombam Bhupender terms misleading posts on social media linking him as petitioner counsel of viral audio tape case filed in Supreme Court as unfortunate. Manipur governor assures arrest of militants groups involved in burning and disrespect of Salai Tarid flag, asserts BJP Manipur Pradesh. Ikata Chisisu, son of NSC and IM founding leader, late Isao Chisisu, announces to join Myanmar-based leaders group. Violent altercation over land dispute in Imphal district leaves one person dead and 5 others injured after confrontation escalated into gunfight. Federation of Haumi Vice President and Indigenous Pillar Construction Committee Dr. Hiral Khabui accuses Kuki groups to erase indigenous identities in Manipur. And Good Friday observed across Manipur, remembering crucifixion of Jesus Christ with prayer and reflective service. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. 27 MLAs from Manipur are expected to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss about forming a new government amid imposition of President's rule in the state. According to a report, some of the MLAs are currently camping in Delhi to take permission to meet Prime Minister and Home Minister. However, NPP Manipur President Y. Joy Kumar, along with NPP MLA, denied knowing about the matter and also denied that about demanding the central government to form a popular government. On the other hand, 7 MLAs met with Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at Raj Bhavan yesterday. In a press release, Raj Bhavan highlighted that the MLAs, namely Sagolban MLA R.K. Imu, Langthabal MLA Karam Shyam, Konthojam MLA and former Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Hill Areas Committee Chairman and Nungba MLA Dinganglung Dipu Gangmai, Patsoi MLA Sapam Kunjeshwar and Lamlai MLA Khungbantabam Ibomcha brought up various issues in public interest during the meeting. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Senior Spokesperson Ningombam Bhupender has sought protection for his life and property after a viral social media post falsely linked him to Supreme Court case involving a viral audio tape. In a press conference held last evening at Congress Bhavan, BT Road, Bhupender clarified that he has not been engaged as an advocate either for the petitioner or the Union of India for the said case. He also denied being consulted regarding the matter. The Congress leader alleged that the viral post was circulated by individuals closely affiliated with BJP, using his name and photograph to falsely represent him as the petitioner's counsel. He condemned the spread of misinformation and warned that if the post is not removed within 12 hours, he would pursue legal action. Bhupender has submitted a formal written complaint to the Governor of Manipur, Director General of Police, Chief Secretary and Additional Director General of Police, requesting protection under the constitutional rights to life and property. Citing the prevailing law and order situation in the state, marked by frequent mob violence and incidents of arson triggered by misinformation, Bhupender stressed the urgency of the matter. He asserted that if any untoward incident occurs against him or his property, full responsibility should lie with the Governor, the DGP, the Chief Secretary, the BJP, and those aligned with them.
Honorable Supreme Court of India, the alleged audio tape leak case samgi matangda IC petitioner to gi counsel oi haidana rumor do sandokpada natana makhal makhagi oidaba conclusion mayam pidana defamation tauba intimidation tauba mayamda lebak praja mayamda lan ohanba hairiba case asida ai sama petitioner ki maikai de gisu respondent union of India respondent ki maikai de gisu party moina ai ha ko as an advocate oina engage tau ki basu laite laga consult tau ki basu laite adu kamdauna politically motivated oiba mi kharana ai ha pu amasung ko ki congress party bu chingchellaga Manipur ki hang hairaba miyam praja mamangda lan ohanbase masidi yamna illegal oi aduna akoina thamjiningli basi rumor se karai digi sandorake haiba matam sida BJP amasung makoi ke saminariba makoi ke supporter makoi ke like minded kangbu singte ki sandorai adudagi ni ai samak na governor da chief secretary da DGP da masi ai boy na ngasi ijari basi sida karigumba phatanung da thogadi Manipur ki governor chief secretary DGP amasung BJP amasung makoi ke loina na saminariba mi sina daita logodabani ai ga mari sulai lena da ki zamada aya ko du ukil o ya haina o ja pada ban namsan base masidi it is malicious defamatory and sigumba rumors sina rumors sandoiba singsu please delete this post rumors sandokpiganu rumors se masida support tawbiganu ayin gi matungina akoi legal proceeding su lawkhalakani pung tarani thoigi manung de sa na delete tawbiu karigumba tawdaba thogadi isa ki Facebook ki link WhatsApp ki link WhatsApp group da admin waribi singna madugi daita lawbiu aduga iriba khudimak na apology tawbiu aranba paw ni haibadu haibiramu karigumba hairam da thoklakadi within 12 hours akoi legal proceeding lawkhalakani.
Manipur governor has assured BJP Manipur Pradesh representatives that the authority will arrest armed militants who had insulted Salaita Red Flag in social media. The statement was made by BJP spokesperson MLA Khungbantabam Ibumcha during a press conference held at the Thambal Sanglin of BJP Manipur Pradesh at Nityapajute today. Speaking further, the MLA highlighted that some representatives of BJP MLAs met with the governor yesterday. He added that during the meeting, the MLAs urged the governor to ensure free movement in the state and also urged to take up actions to curb violence in the state.
Governor la amatunda both hill and valley dagi illegal arms surrender to aidna appeal to wududa mayamna phajana respond tawroktana khulai nungai da singu pikhana ga khokiba leire masigi jo koina governor bu adum appreciate tawba aduga loinena akoi gi phajana dialogue tawraga peace process tawbase khare hena thuna tawbiu adugi khulai khongkatpagi kai gi tawriba thabakse sisu praja jingna phawbuda hill da di khar walena khoi phawe aduna particularly hill area da khulai khongkatpa khokoi thabaksisu makha sathabiu aduga maski nipanda singam masung tamani makta free movement lehelani hairga feloi gibase masida praja singna yamna nungai taba phawi akoina BJP ge MLA orubnina akoida madugi question yam lei akoi answerable oibnina akoi khumba wai aduna madu yaring bhai athuba matamda tawinaba taw akoi salai tare ki hiran gaji phongpang na lekhai dana mai thang potna tawba yamna provocative oiba sigumba thabaksi masi matik chana action lokulu maduda governor na kangpupida koi automatic weapons fire ga football sana ba kangpu to koi phagat ki adumaina moisu sab action logani na adumaina haibirei.
Meanwhile, BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President Nongthobam Nimbus urged the people to refrain from protesting against Enforcement Directorate for filing a charge sheet against Congress leaders in connection with its investigation into alleged money laundering in the National Herald case. The high-profile legal matter case was filed by BJP leader Subramanian Swamy in Delhi High Court in 2012 during Congress Party's term in central government. He also appealed to the people to trust the law on behalf of BJP Manipur Pradesh. Furthermore, Nimbus also explained that in the charge sheet filed by Enforcement Directorate under Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi are mentioned as accused number 1 and 2 respectively. He maintained that the charge sheet also clearly mentioned that under 2017 Income Tax Assessment Order, AICC office bearers, AJL along Young Indian Principal Officer colluded with each other to acquire properties worth 2,000 crore rupees. He further appealed to people, especially Indian National Congress, who are claiming that National Herald case is a politically motivated case, to refrain from protesting against authority. It may be mentioned that Enforcement Directorate filed the charge sheet regarding National Herald case on April 9th, and the hearing of the case is scheduled to be held on April 25.
Congress ki oiragasu adugumba worker mayamna tawpa mayamdadi leader ati mayamna tawda tuminna leiba aduga Nehru amasung Gandhi family dagi tholpa leader sing dugi hairagadi hoji bar sin mathungna hoji langhan laga leise praja singda mislead tawna bohonise adu masigumba thawdose Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh na highly akoi condemn taw akoi hojiksi asumma du khangna nabagi damta ED na charge sheet frame tawriba potsakse Supreme Court ta tang kunmanga da khana dawrise madugi hearing tawraba matungna Madugi right, Akumayam accept Tominasi. Congress Party na Akogi law would Hazabirava, Aduga judiciary said Makoina is that Tobiragadi, Tanman Tobiragadi, Tankun Mangapo, Naire Hiraga, Madugi, Supreme Court, Pirapa, Akogi, verdict, Masiki Rai said, Masi Ikai Kunana Satpaduna, Congress Party issue Pani, Adu Congress Party issue, Akogi, Tauriba Mayam say, Makoi Kanga Tobudo, Madu, Makoi, Assumes a Kusala, Prazada, Aranba, Tahanabo Honam, Matung, the Tobinu Hiver.
Ikato Chisisu, son of NSCN-IM founding leader late Isal Chisisu, has announced his decision to join hands with Lieutenant General retired H.S. Ramson and Lieutenant General Absalom Raman, who are currently operating from across the border to continue the Naga struggle. According to Nagaland Post, Ikato Chisisu made the announcement via email. Ikato also slammed the current NSCN-IM leadership for having betrayed the Naga cause as reason for his decision to join the Ramsan Absalom group. Ikato recalled the formation of NSCN in 1980 due to the Shillong Accord, the revival of the movement under his late father and T.H. Muiva, the 1997 ceasefire, then the historic framework agreement signed in 2015. He accused a central government on backtracking post the death of his father, diluting the agreement and reducing political talks from Prime Minister's level to Governor's level. Furthermore, he alleged that Indian intelligence agencies infiltrated and manipulated within NSCN ranks during this 28-year ceasefire. He also claimed that top leaders were compromised as some are working as informants, others also involved in syndicates and conducted corrupt dealings by using Naga movement to enrich themselves. He lamented that the revolutionary principles upheld by his late father have been eroded by greed and mismanagement. Ikato asserted that justice, accountability and ideology have collapsed within the current NSC and GPRN structure. He also said that as an insider and a second-generation revolutionary, he could no longer remain silent. Additionally, Ikato declared his intent to carry forward his father's unfinished mission while urging Nagas, especially the youths, to rise and reclaim the national vision. Five people sustained injury while one person lost his life during a fight over land dispute where they eventually brought out guns. According to a report, the incident occurred yesterday afternoon over land dispute at the adjoining area of Sangching village and Lungreifung Tang village under Shangsak police station in Ukhrul district. Additional district magistrate Ukhrul also ordered to put the area under BNSS under section 163. Police reported that Ramyun RK, aged 36, son of Ramlung RK from Sangching village, lost his life during the fight, while Arun RK, aged 36, son of Ramlung RK, sustained injury at his left chest. Joseph RK, aged 54, sustained injury at the right side of his head and at his left shoulder. Peter RK, aged 73, sustained injury at the back of his head. On the other side, Rejoice RK, aged 34, son of Moses from Lungreifung Tang village, sustained injury at his thigh and hand, while Ningsang RK, aged 60, sustained injury at his belly and head. The injured individuals were given first aids at Assam Rifles camp located at Shangshak. However, the people who sustained severe injuries were brought to Imphal for treatment. There has been no report about the reason of the incident till now. However, Additional District Magistrate Ukhrul has appointed Sub-Deputy Magistrate Ukhrul as Executive Magistrate to investigate about the incident. Ukhrul and Sangshuk Police Station personnel were also deployed at the area to prevent any further untoward incident. Federation of Haumi Vice President and Indigenous Pillar Construction Committee Chairman Dr. K. Hira Kabui has accused Kuki groups of making long-standing attempts to erase identities of indigenous communities in Manipur by forcibly assimilating smaller ethnic groups under the Kuki banner. Addressing a press conference at Federation's office at Kabo Leikai, Dr. K. Hira Kabui alleged that documents have been sent to the center, falsely identifying communities such as Kom, Liangmai, Purum and Karam in Kangpopi district as Kuki villages. He claimed these communities are being compelled to participate in the ongoing ethnic conflict in the state, adding that their goal is to break Manipur into pieces and portray minority indigenous groups as victims. He further expressed concern that despite repeated clarifications that tribes like Aimul, Anal, Chiru, Chote, Koirao, Koireng, Kom, Maring, Moyon, Monsang and Purum are not part of the Kuki group, efforts to categorize them as such continue. In an effort to safeguard indigenous identity, the Federation is set to inaugurate an indigenous pillar engraved with the names of 25 Yek Salai. The stone pillar will be erected at land donated by Sombung Kabui Kunjao, with preparations nearing completion. A tree plantation program will also be held around the site on April 21. Leaders of the 25 indigenous communities, civil society organizations, VIPs and representatives from the Naga People's Organization are expected to attend. Dr. Hira Kabui urged the public to take part in the event, stating that the indigenous pillar would stand as a symbol of identity and unity among the indigenous peoples of Manipur.
Piglaba jati khrase Aimol gumba Anal gumba Chiru gumba Chote gumba Sigumba mayam se makoi Kuki gi ni Kuki jat ni tribe ni hai makoi puthok tuna ekoi gi piglaba ekoi gi proof yek sarai le bisina khabar ra chepong da makoi I basi lali hai na I khi ba mayam le re I khi ra so ekoi gi makoi na chungbi da ba adugi mathakta masi senjin sajin ba hai ra ba makoi Kuki himna you know the gumba ekoi central union government gumda che sajin na tau se koi pelak ta ba aikoina nuksina na thaina mamangi ni thogi matam da gi yengla patarte mohoi changding e de koi shanti oina le rom me chanti de wai ba se kananu achum ba che mokoina lan season pa machin thi ba ikai khang da ba ikai khang da gi achum ba sajin ba asine koi miyam da langtang na ba ekoi isin na oi ba I mari ama khakta lak ba mayam se ekoi bu ngahol le adune ekoi se lan tawri ba se ekoi mite te taw natte ekoi halong mi de taw pani hai ne ekoi ai hak chairman ama oi duna chema mayam se khangne ba gi paw ama ai achet ba oi na thamjeri.
Christian devotees of Manipur Baptist Church, MBC, have offered fasting prayer to Jesus Christ for a peaceful and prosperous state for Good Friday celebration at the church today. Covering the event at MBC Center Church, Chingmairong by SKTV, the Christian devotees offered prayers and performed hymns and rituals to commemorate the death of Jesus Christ, as according to the New Testament, the Messiah was killed by Romans on this day on a cross. During the event today morning, Mission and Evangelism Secretary of MBC, Gaukaulung Dangmei, preached about God's messages to the devotees. They also performed a worship service on translated version of the topic, The Cross, a place of suffering, love and victory. In the evening session, the devotees conducted Bible text recitation and also offered fasting prayers to the Christ.
Sona sibasi mana willingly ya haraga ma sibiring isona tharakuni mabu yengchiri hoina wicket ni phataba mabu manal siba hoina masidi khoi haibaga lerena ekhoi isa ji so khra reflect tawrs ei busu nang busu sona sinbiri ka thabani time pa ekhoi siga dama matam da siba matam lakpa matam ipa so ei nangon da hanjage haige dami madugi do nahak si ehak si tim sare bra Prabhu Krishna di madi sem sara siba lorega mo mapagi mapam halak madugi relationship madugumda ishor gan hakse e hakse relationship phajana leire aroi ba phau ti raba matam da hawai khoi thois ishor ga mapa ishor akhoi mo sim go ishor da phajana hakse nang aromai da hangeni ni hai chap cha masi go he da hai madu ngon da leibra hai
United Baptist Church, which is located at Luang Shambam Chingol Lekai in Imphal East District, also offered mass prayer and performed a fasting program for Good Friday. The attendees spread the messages of forgiveness, sacrifice and peace among each other as taught by Jesus Christ. Pastor Reverend Salam Basanta Luang also wished for peace, prosperity and for a respectful society during the program. Assam Rifles arrested 23 trucks who were carrying timber without any relevant paper during an operation conducted at Kampang Kulen in Technopol district. In a press release, IGAR South informed that the operation was conducted on April 16 after receiving intel about people conducting illegal timber trade to fund valley insurgents. The press release also mentioned that the timbers were handed over to Forest Department for further proceedings. According to forest officials, the timbers are worth 14 lakhs in the market. Living Arts Academy, Manipuri Thangta, Laman Thangta, observed its 45th Foundation Day at Nainasang Community Hall at Sagol Bantera, Lokrapam Lekai today. Addressing the observance, Laman Thangta Principal Chungkam Sunil Kumar highlighted that the institution was established in 1983 as a cultural institution. However, from 2015 onwards, the institution was turned into a Thangta institution. He added that the motto of Laman Thangta is to spread the knowledge of our ancestors to the people for a better society. The observance was attended by Manipur University of Culture Vice Chancellor Paunam Gunindro, Laman Thangta Vice President Kakching Tabam Manglin and Manipur University of Culture Retired Assistant Professor Makun Mani Mungsa Tabam as guests. The attendees also paid floral tribute to the portrait of Ibudao Pakhangba and the late teachers of the institution. Various Thangta artists also showcased Thangta performance during the observance.
Laman Thangtana, Nasi Laiway Kraba, Ozasi, Shingura, a point of Tambiramba, my Kango Singasibo, a point of Mayek Shinga, Miam, the Kanganapa, one of them never get to Pandamda, though Pakambo Purum Jarga, Amade. Laiway Kraba, Ozasi, Poina, Irak, Mizarga, Makoina, Tambiram Liba, my Kango Singado, how will we put Pudimaka, Mayak Chinga, Makoida, Madui, Kan of the Pangalaga, when I Esida, Hachamba, Mi Putopaga, when I Esik and Mada, Laman Tangta, Saru Yazanabo, Honazabali, see Laman Tangtana.
Nambul River, flowing through the heart of Imphal Valley and often referred to as a looking mirror of the region, continues to suffer from unchecked waste dumping, raising serious concerns among residents and environmentalists. Plastic remnants and other waste materials are frequently found littered along both banks of the river, particularly in areas such as Sagolban and Uripo. Continuous dumping has led to severe pollution, with water turning black and emitting a foul stench, prompting fears of waterborne diseases among the local population. Residents have expressed alarm over deteriorating condition of the river, which has become breeding ground for disease due to the accumulation of rotten waste. While the government had launched Nambul River Rejuvenation Project, spearheaded by Directorate of Environment and Climate Change in collaboration with multiple stakeholders, ongoing dumping threatens to nullify these efforts. Authorities are being urged to implement stricter regulations, carry out regular monitoring and launch awareness campaigns to involve the community in preserving the river. Kangleipak Students Association, KSA Jirbam District Council and Jirbam Women Association of Kangleipak, Jimwalk, jointly organized a 9th Jiri Treti Observation cum 14th Jiri Sports Prize Distribution at PWD Guest House, Babupara in Jirbam District today. Addressing the event, social activist and Buddhachandra highlighted that Jiri Treaty, which positioned Jiri River as the border, was signed between British and Maharaja Gambhir Singh on April 18, 1883. He maintained that the observance was organized so that the youth can remember such historic event to pass it down to future generation. During the event, the winners of Jiri Sports Meet, including marathon and tug of war between CSOs, were presented with their prizes.
ꯅꯍꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯋꯥꯍꯪ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯪꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯣꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯨꯔꯛꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯦ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄꯅ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯊꯦꯜ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ.
Assam Rifles conducted lecture program on Sainik School entrance examination at L. Hengzol Upper Primary School in Kangpupi district today. The event aimed to create awareness among students from remote areas about the opportunities available through Sainik schools. During the session, students were briefed on benefits of studying at Sainik School, including enhanced chances of joining National Defence Academy (NDA) and other prestigious institutions. The program was designed to inspire and guide students towards career in the armed forces. A total of 114 students attended the event and were provided with detailed information on admission procedure, eligibility criteria, scholarship opportunities, and All India Sainik Schools Entrance Examination (AISSEE). UNESCO School has launched an application named UNESCO School Parents in an effort to close the gap of communication between the school authority and the parents. Speaking to media after the launching program, UNESCO School Chairman N. Irabanta highlighted that the application was developed by Globis Web Solution Manipur. He added that the application has important features such as tracking of school vehicle, checking the attendance of students, checking pending fees and getting report card of students. Furthermore, N. Irabanta asserted that the application will also allow the parents to give feedback to the school directly and that the parents can also check school notifications from the application. He also said that such transparency will help the school in striving forward.
UNESCO school ki parenting ga school authority ga matam puna makta tarakam litna paw phone na ba yamna adugo bagida makta kuna mobile app ma tuna si launch tawjabadi hairi bachi baside maru oiba koi feature haraga ti maroina akhoi gi school na chalai ni ba koi transport vehicle sing chi mari dena ba transport sing ji my real time tracking ama man ji kra wai de lai ji cha kra yo ge khang bagi facility ma lai ni azulana aka akoi angang jing gi attendance apa ma sin adu khang banga bani ani phi thi bagi orasu report card pi orasu any thogdog ama event ama notice ama orasu parenting na hai fc ku thang gi mayam khanggi ba ya gani adu time table adulana khwaide maru oi bati akoi parenting gi feedback matam matam gi school bi ningwa opinion suggestion punamaksu akoi mobile fc ku thang da parenting na school authority da.
Environment Protection Committee Langul has organized a social service camp under its motto, No Littering, Keep our surroundings clean, don't throw garbage here, maintain cleanliness and no dumping allowed today. During the camp, which was conducted in association with local clubs and Mera Paibis, volunteers cleaned the roadside of the road connecting Langul Game Village Zone 4 to Lamphel Yaifalekai. The committee's president Nongtobam Nanau also warned that anyone found to be littering at the area will be fined 5,000 rupees. Speaking to media on the sideline, Nongthombam Nanau highlighted that the roadside was littered with garbage as people threw their garbage at the area instead of paying 50 or 100 rupees to solid waste management team. He added that the garbage has affected daily commuters, especially senior citizens who are walking for exercise. He also urged the people to remember that every citizen has a responsibility in keeping the state neat and clean. Nongthombam Nanau also informed that the committee will organize tree plantation program and other cleansing program in the future. United Clubs Organization of Bishnupur District, Yukobit and Apun Balup Ningthokong, a health card issuing program for Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana at Ningthokong Awang Kuno Community Hall in Bishnupur district today. The program was organized under the aegis of All Manipur United Clubs organization. Around 100 people were issued PMJY card during the program. UCOBID General Secretary L. Premjit highlighted that the program was organized to provide some financial relief to the people during their treatment at hospital. He also asserted that such program will be organized across Bishnupur district in association with local clubs. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, KADA, has reformed the committee of their Kakching and Bishnupur district branch. In a press release, KADA informed that Sorokhaibam Nena has been appointed as a new president of KADA Kakching branch for the year 2025-28. She was appointed as a new president during a meeting which was convened at KADA Kakching office at Wabagai Lamkai today. Similarly, KADA Bishnupur district also appointed 10 new executive committee members for the year 2025-28 during a meeting which was held at its office at Tinungai yesterday. Huining Shungbam Basanti has been appointed as the president of KADA Bishnupur district. In the sports news, Grand Get-Together and Felicitation Program for medalists of Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association, MAKA, who participated in the 57th Senior National Kho-Kho Championship was held today at Basu Office Complex. The event was organized by MAKA to honor and motivate players for their outstanding performance in the 2nd Northeast Zone Junior Kho-Kho Championship 2024-25 Boys and Girls, held from March 31 to April 4 in Puri, Odisha. The function was attended by District Olympic Association Thobal President M. Mani, MAKA Vice President L. Bijain, Basu Vice President Shamo and retired Assistant Director of SAI NERC, Tagyal Imphal Kunsam Michael. As part of the program, certificates and simple gifts were distributed to the medal achievers to acknowledge their efforts and encourage continued excellence in the sport. Addressing the gathering, MAKA General Secretary Madhusudon announced that a summer coaching camp will be conducted from May this year with the aim of nurturing talents from grassroots level. He appealed to senior players and officials to extend their full cooperation to ensure the camp's success. Later, an exhibition match between players of 43rd Junior National Kho-Kho Championship and the 57th Senior National Kho-Kho team was held to mark spirited celebration of sportsmanship and unity.
Junior Northeast Zone Kho-Kho Championship Maduda Sarung Yaruba Koigi Manipur Amateur Kho-Kho Association gi Nupa Macha amsung Nupi Macha team anibangna Nupa gi winner aduga Nupi gi runner up tarakpa adu ithang thangnanai di ikui-kuidana amuk Purida pangthokpa 57 Senior National Kho-Kho Championship ta Sarung Yaruba Koigi Nupa amadi Nupi team ani हाइरिबा टीम मरी असी कोइना एसोसिएशन की माइकी दगी टूर्नामेंट अदुदा यावरुबगी अवा नुगाई म्याम अदो कोइ पुनमिनरगा गेट टुगेदर म तौरगा अखोइ सिंसिबो कोइना एनकरेज तौबो म दरकार लई हानि खनबदगी नसी प्रोग्राम असी को सिंजबन
Ex-Polo Club Wankai have emerged as the team champion of 31st Governors Cup Men's Invitation Polo Tournament, while Imphal Riding Club Lamphel emerged as the team of champion of 20th Governors Cup Women's Polo Tournament 2025. Both tournament, which concluded today, was organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association at Mapal, Kangjabu. Imphal Riding Club Lamphel defeated Assam Rifle Women Polo Team by 7-6 in the final match of Governors Cup Women's Polo Tournament, while ex-Polo Club Wankai defeated Manipur Police Sports Club B Police Headquarters by 5-2 in the final match of Governors Cup Men's Invitation Polo Tournament. The closing function of the tournaments was attended by Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala, MHRPA President H. Dilip and Manipur Agriculture, Forest and Works Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha as guests. The team winners and runner-ups were presented with trophy and cash reward during the function. The participating teams were also presented consolidation prizes. According to ICAR Regional Center, Lamphel Path State's maximum temperature was recorded at 26 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 86% in the morning and 65% in the evening. Manipur recorded a maximum of 1.5 millimeter rainfall in the last 24 hours. On the other hand, Meteorological Center Imphal under the India Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued yellow alert for 18 districts of Manipur, warning of possible thunderstorms accompanied by heavy to very heavy rainfall and strong winds. According to the latest advisory, these weather conditions are likely to persist till April 20, with wind speeds ranging between 30 to 40 kilometers per hour, expected to affect several parts of the state. The districts under alert included Noni, Jirbam, Kamjong, Ukhrul, Imphal East, Imphal West, Kangpokpi, Senapati, Technopal, Chandel, Churachandpur, Ferozpur and Tamenglong. Moreover, IMD has also forecast thunderstorms accompanied by heavy to very heavy rainfall and strong winds for Tamenglong, Senapati, Kangpokpi, Imphal West and Ukhrul on April 20 and 22. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. At least 27 MLAs of Manipur likely to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah to form new government. Ningombam Bhupenda terms misleading post on social media linking him as petitioner counsel of viral audio tape case filed in Supreme Court as unfortunate. Manipur governor assures arrest of militant groups involved in burning and disrespect of Salai Tarit flag, asserts BJP Manipur Pradesh. Ikata Chisi Su, son of NSC and IM founding leader Lady Sao Chisi Su, announces to join Myanmar-based Leaders Group. Violent altercation over land dispute in Ukhrul district leaves one person dead and 5 others injured after confrontation escalated into gunfight. Federation of Homi Vice President and Indigenous Pillar Construction Committee Dr. Hira Kabui accuses cookie groups to erase indigenous identities in Manipur. Good Friday observed across Manipur, remembering crucifixion of Jesus Christ with prayer and reflective service. Now that's all we have for today's Primetime English News. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good night.